The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral, values below 7 indicating acidity, and values above 7 indicating alkalinity or basicity. Strong acids can dissolve metals, while strong bases can dissolve hair. Litmus is derived from lichens, specifically Rochella tinctoria. Our stomach uses hydrochloric acid, HCl, to help digest food. Amphoteric substances can act as both an acid and a base, depending on the chemical environment. Acid rain, caused by pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides, can damage buildings and ecosystems. The taste of soreness is typically associated with acids, though not all acids are safe to taste. Spotlight on greatness. Svante Arrhenius. Svante Arrhenius initially faced skepticism from his professors regarding his theory of electrolytic dissociation, which later won him the Nobel Prize. Arrhenius proposed the concept of panspermia, suggesting that life could spread throughout the universe via spores propelled by radiation pressure. He served as the rector of Stockholm University from 1897 to 1902. Arrhenius was the first to use basic principles of physical chemistry to estimate the extent to which increases in atmospheric carbon dioxide are responsible for the Earth's increasing surface temperature. He was a foreign member of the Royal Society of London and received numerous honorary degrees from prestigious universities. Arrhenius's work extended beyond chemistry to fields like immunochemistry and cosmology. He wrote textbooks that were translated into multiple languages, popularizing scientific concepts for a broader audience. Arrhenius was a strong advocate for international scientific collaboration and exchange. He was married twice and had children from both marriages. Arrhenius's father was a land surveyor, which likely influenced his early interest in the natural world. He meticulously analyzed data from experiments conducted by others, drawing insightful conclusions that advanced the understanding of chemical reactions. Arrhenius's Nobel Prize in Chemistry was awarded in 1903 for his electrolytic dissociation theory. He proposed that volcanic eruptions could influence climate by releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, affecting the Earth's temperature. Arrhenius believed that understanding the relationship between carbon dioxide and climate change was crucial for the future of humanity. He correctly surmised that changes in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels could trigger ice ages. Acids, bases, and neutral. Acids, bases, and neutral substances are explored in a school science fair context. Litmus. Acid, base indicator. Litmus paper, blue and red, indicates acidity or basicity by color change when testing samples like lemon juice or soap. Rose and turmeric indicators. Red rose extract and turmeric paper also change color, showing whether a solution is acidic or basic. Onions, olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators like onions change odor when exposed to acids and bases, allowing us to detect them. Neutralization, acid plus base. Acids and bases neutralize to form salt and water. Baking soda for ant bites is a neutralization example. Turmeric soap experiment. Turmeric soap solution reveals hidden text on Ashwin and Kirti's paper, showcasing indicator properties. What are acids? Substances that taste sour and can turn blue litmus paper red. What are bases? Substances that taste bitter and can turn red litmus paper blue. What is litmus paper used for? An indicator. What happens to blue litmus paper when it comes into contact with an acid? It turns red. What happens to red litmus paper when it comes into contact with a base? It turns blue. What is an indicator? A substance that shows a visible change, usually color, in the presence of an acid or a base. How do olfactory indicators detect acids or bases? By a change in their odor. What is neutralization? A chemical reaction between an acid and a base. What are the products of a neutralization reaction? Salt and water. Why might baking soda be used in daily life? To treat ant bites. Why might lime be used in daily life? To treat acidic soil. What is a neutral substance? A substance that is neither acidic nor basic. Give 2 examples of natural indicators. Red rose extract and turmeric paper. Give an example of an olfactory indicator. Onions. What happens to the smell of onions when exposed to an acid or a base? The odor changes. Give an example of neutralization in daily life. Using baking soda on ant bites. Name 3 acid-base indicators. Litmus, turmeric, red rose extract. Give examples of acidic samples. Lemon juice, amla juice. Give an example of a basic sample. Soap solution. Dash, and neutral substances are introduced using a school science fair as a starting point. Acids, bases. Litmus acts as an dash to determine if a substance is acidic or basic. Indicator. Dash and dash litmus paper are used to test various samples. Blue, red. Lemon juice is a sample that can be tested to determine its dash nature. Acidic. Dash solution is a sample that can be tested to determine its basic nature. Soap. Dash can be prepared and used as an indicator. Red rose extract. Dash are observed in acidic and basic solutions when using indicators. Color changes. Dash can be used to test substances and observe color changes. Turmeric paper. Onions are used as dash. Olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators detect changes in dash when exposed to acids and bases. Odor. Acidic and basic substances dash each other. Neutralize. Neutralization forms dash and dash. Salt, water. Dash can be used for ant bites as a form of neutralization. Baking soda. Dash can be used to treat acidic soil. Lime. Acid-base indicators show specific dash. Color changes. Dash and dash substances neutralize each other to form salt and water. Acidic, basic. A dash solution can be used to identify the text on paper. Turmeric soap. The science fair introduces acids, bases, and dash substances. Neutral. Dash juice is a sample that can be tested with litmus. Amla. Dash and dash paper uses a turmeric soap solution to identify the text. Ashwin, Kirtis.